Hey y'all, it's Ker-Leen and you're watching another Glam Mom episode on Lemomlife. Today I have a review for you all and I am reviewing my Toiletry Pouch 26 by Louis Vuitton. I picked this up as an early birthday gift for myself and I've been loving it, and I wanted to share with you all exactly what it is I love about it. I purchased it at the Louis Vuitton store. Now this was a store that was not at my local mall. I was actually out of town. We were at the beach and I decided to just go into that mall, and actually this is going to be my new favorite mall because it's not too far away. But the Louis Vuitton store was so nice. It's brand new and the representative was really helpful. I walked in and asked him if he had it available. He checked and said yes, and he said that it was the last one. I'm just happy it was there. Even if there were like 50 there, I would have purchased it anyway because I was really looking forward to purchasing this piece and adding it to my collection. I've heard so many great things about it, seen so many amazing videos on it, and let me tell you, I have been loving it. I absolutely love it. He gave me a drawstring dust bag. Behind me on the bed there is the box that it came in. Just the standard new Louis Vuitton orange box with blue text. It had a blue ribbon. I did get my receipt. Funny enough, he didn't print me a receipt and put it in my bag, and I was just like so excited. I was having conversation with my husband and I just didn't even pay attention to the fact that he didn't give me my receipt. So when I got home, I had to call and make sure they emailed my receipt to me, which they did without a problem. But yes, I love the experience. Otherwise, I was offered an Evian water. The store was really nice. Everyone was super friendly. So that's why I say I think whenever I want to do a purchase at Louis Vuitton, it will probably be at that location. So I'll go ahead and open this up. I have actually started to use this already. I just wanted to go ahead and place it back in the dust bag so you all could see how it came. But this is my Toiletry Pouch 26. Now, as you can see, you can kind of see some indentation because, like I said, I've already been using this, and it's been amazing. I love it. I carry it all the time, and that's why it has those indentation marks on it, which is totally fine. I also placed a tiny little charm on it, but I am thinking I'm gonna get a really fancy, just in your face sort of a charm. I've seen some bloggers style this like that, and I think it's so cute. So I will be doing that, but that's a profile. So I'll share with you some things that I love about this toiletry pouch. The first thing I love about it is the size. To be honest with you though, if they made this in a larger size, I would definitely purchase it. I love this size, but I would not mind if it were a little bit longer. What I typically do is I'll put most of it up front and just wear it like that. I am really loving this size height-wise. I don't see this as something that I kind of throw in my suitcase because it's so beautiful and it's very pricey for a toiletry pouch. But I do see this being used as an organizer. In that sense, I guess I kind of use it like a toiletry pouch because I'll put in things that would go in your toiletry pouch, various odds and ends, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then I just slide it right into my larger bag and I'm good to go. It's so convenient in that way. I am loving the monogram print on this piece. I think it's so classic. The other thing I really love about this pouch is the interior. So it has a wipeable interior, which I think is super duper convenient. I got a pen mark in here the other day and I literally just wiped it off and was good to go. So I'm loving that feature about it. So I will place the price information and the dimension and all of that good stuff in the description box for you all. I know you've seen tons and tons of videos already with that information, but in case you haven't, that will be in the description box for you, as well as a link to this direct item on the Louis Vuitton website. The other thing I really love about this is the profile. I love that it's kind of this long skinny triangle. I love that I can place this on a table and depending on what I have inside, it will sit just like this. I think that's so convenient in a clutch. And as I mentioned, that's how I wear this. I wear this as a clutch. Now I do use it as an organizer if I'm feeling like carrying a larger bag. and I still have my items in here from the previous use, I won't even take anything out of it. I'll just pop it into the larger bag and keep it moving. And I love that about this. What else can I say? I just love this piece. It's so chic, it's affordable if you're just getting started with luxury, which is the case with me. I'm just getting started. I don't want a collection with too many bags to count. It doesn't, for me and my lifestyle, it would just be useless. So I was really excited to add this piece because it's affordable and it's a quality piece that I will love and use over and over again. When it gets super duper old, you know, I'll probably then put it in like a suitcase to carry it as a travel piece. However, for right now, this is mostly a clutch for me, which is one of the ways that the website says you can wear this. So loving this. Now let me show you all 2 ways that I fill this toiletry pouch 26. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is how I would fill up my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26 pouch to go out with the kids if it were just me and the kids. The first thing I'll do is I'll place the kids' wipes in here. It's just this little small container of wipes. So I will go ahead, place that in there. Then I typically carry 2 diapers with me at all times. I do have a diaper bag for the kids. It's a larger backpack and I keep it in the car in the trunk, and that is filled with diapers and wipes, but I like to keep diapers and wipes on me as well. Now for my son, this is just an extra diaper in here for him just in case because he is potty trained, but I more so carry this for my daughter nowadays. So I'll just fit those in there. And as you can see, I still have plenty of room. Next is my wallet, and this is just my Kate Spade Petty wallet. So I love this. It's a nice little compact wallet. So I'll just kind of put it right up there. Next, I have some lip gloss or lip balm, as well as my compact. This is just my little Chanel compact that I'm currently carrying, and my Kors pomegranate lip balm. So I'll go ahead and place those in there. So I'll then put some hand sani in here. And then this is just the extension cord for my phone because I like to keep it charged in my car. So I'll pop that in there. And then this typically has just a little bit of room left for my key holder, but most of the time I'm using this, it's in my hand. Let's go ahead and zip this up without it, and then I'll try and squeeze it in there. So let's go ahead and zip it. And as you can see, it zips up nicely with plenty of room. So I find that to get the most out of filling this up nicely so that it's flat when you zip it up, the best thing to do is to lay it down as you're filling it up. So I'm gonna put my key holder in here and zip, zip, zip. And as you can see, I have plenty of space for everything to where it zips up nice and neat, just like this. Super duper chic and easy. I love this. So now the second way I like to fill this up is for the times when I'm with my husband, so I have an extra pair of hands, someone who can run out to the car and grab something if need be, so I can pack more of my things in it. So this right here is basically like my makeup pouch and a little bit of a catch-all, so I'll just show you all what's inside. The first thing I have inside here is some tissue. I have my lip balm, my hand sanitizer, I have a concealer, some lip products, so just a couple lip products. I have a pencil in here, my hand cream, some perfume, another lip product. I have a dirty makeup brush and another lip product, some band-aids, and this is just some glue, and that's it. So I'm gonna put everything back in here. That is everything. And what I like to do is I like to put this at the bottom of my toiletry pouch. So I'll just pop it in there like so. And then I will, oh, I forgot my compact. Sorry guys. I typically have my compact in here as well. Now it's ready for the toiletry pouch. So I'll slide it in there like so. Then I'll have enough room for my wallet, my key holder, and my cable. Let me wound this up a little better. There we go. So I'll pop that in there. And voila. Everything fits. Not too much bunching. Sometimes I'll play around with it until it's more smooth than this. But you all get the idea. So let's see. Let me try and zip it up now. There we go. So that's much better. That's the second way I like to fill up my toiletry pouch 26. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you think you might find my videos interesting. And I'll see you in another one. Bye guys.